Hi, I'm Allie.
And I'm Becky.
We are registered dietitians that are passionate about food as medicine.
In this video, we are making quick pickled red onions, a fabulous and easy condiment that you can add to so many dishes that will enhance antioxidant and probiotic benefits.
Pickling or fermentation is an ancient or traditional food preservation technique that can actually enhance nutritional density. You can see greater antioxidants as well as probiotics that enhance microbiome diversity, and the fermentation process can actually reduce anti-nutrients or compounds that vegetables have that can disrupt our digestive process. Now, a classic pickle is going to have a pH brine using salt and water, and that allows some lactic acid production. It's also called a lactofermentation. This means that the bacteria on the produce itself interacts with that pH of the salt brine, and probiotics are formed in the process. This is a quick pickle process where we are actually going to be inoculating the onions with a Bragg's raw apple cider vinegar. This vinegar itself has those live active cultures, which will both aid in a bright acidity flavor profile and will make for a quick pickle.
Now, when we're buying pickles from the grocery store, typically when you see vinegar listed on an ingredient label, that means it is not going to be a raw or lacto-fermented product, and likely that is going to be a pasteurized, shelf-stable product that sure could be an okay crunch and mouthfeel, but isn't going to add any of those probiotic benefits that we've talked about. All right, let's go ahead and make our quick pickled red onions. And by quick, we really mean quick. It's very fast.
And if you don't want to cry and ruin your mascara, you can request that your husband pre-cuts the red onion like we did here. So this is just a finely sliced organic red onion. We did take that first layer of peel off, but I'm going to press this into a ball jar that has 1 cup of warm water.
So we want filtered water here. We don't want any chlorine impact that is going to sterilize and reduce the probiotics.
We want to ensure we get a full 1/2 cup of that apple cider vinegar. And because this is not boiled and we just use the warm water is going to carry this into the cells for this quick pickling action, but will not kill off the probiotics.
And then we're adding some salt here, both for flavor enhancement and to help the vinegar and water solution to penetrate the onion.
And then in here, for flavor and antioxidant enhancement, I have coriander seed and black peppercorns. Black peppercorns can enhance your hydrochloric acid or stomach acidity that can help with breaking down proteins. These are a great condiment on fatty meats like carnitas for that reason. And then the coriander is going to enhance glutathione production in the body, which is the master antioxidant, and provides nice warming flavor.
And you could get creative here and use other seeds, like I like to use mustard seeds at home too. Need a lid because we're going to give this a shake, and then we'll show the final product.
All right, now that we've secured the lid, we're just going to give it a gentle jostling, and this will stay out on the countertop at room temperature to support that fermentation process. You can eat these after short of 6 hours, but it's really good after at least 2 to 3 days.
And then this is what your final product will look like. So you'll get that pinky purple hue, really pretty, and a really nice acidity and crunch to these onions. And you can use them as a topper for a salad. You can use them on carnitas or tacos or with barbecue to kind of add a bright acidic profile.
Yes, so be sure to like this video, leave a comment below if you plan on making our probiotic pickled onions, and subscribe to the Naturally Nourished YouTube channel so you can check out our release in 2 weeks when we make a pepita cumin salad and use these probiotic pickles as a topping.
Always too close to my work wife over here.
You want to move that pan?
She's a magnet. Just a magnet.